Hello again, I'm AViRA, and in an emerging market of electric vehicles, I'm here to tell you about how to use one. The new MG ZS EV is here to revolutionize the shift towards electric mobility, and it is here for you today. Operating the ZS EV is not much different than a conventional SUV like the Hector, except there are a few things that you'll need to do differently. First off, this is an electric car, which means that you'll never have to visit a fuel pump again, because you can charge the car at home. When you're ready to leave, unlocking the car will also unlock the charging port, which you should then remove, and you're now ready to hit the road. Let the luxurious interior invite you into the cabin, and a keyless start-stop option means switching the car on is as easy as pushing the start-stop button. Push it twice with the brakes on, and the car is ready to move. Since there is no engine, hence no sound, look out for the ready sign displayed on the 3.5-inch MID on the instrument cluster, and you're ready to drive. The ZS EV is just as familiar and easy to drive as any other automatic car. The rotary drive selector can be toggled to D for drive or R to reverse to make the car move at a press of the accelerator pedal. At stoplights, shift the car to N, and when you're ready to end your drive, slot the gear selector to P for park. The rest of the functions remain largely the same as any other car that you've driven. I hope you've learned something new about EVs and the new MG ZS EV. Until next time, happy motoring! Ciao!